Okay, so now what I need to do is go through and put my tubes on. So they fit in here really smooth. So someone said they've actually, what they did when they did this is they used a slightly smaller drill bit. I don't have a slightly smaller drill bit, so that goes in. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to go through and kind of rough the edges up a little bit. Now I know you do this mostly with the glue side of things, because it will help the glue adhere. But I think if I'm going to heat this and stick them in there, I think that might help too. I'm wondering if I should go this way, might put rings the other way, help to adhere. I'm not going to put a ton on here. Okay, and I'm just going to do one to start with. Actually, I'm going to save that one for later. I want to do one of these little ones. I bought a 50 pack of these extra, because you know, every once in a while when you're doing these, you'll end up with a blank that will explode, fall apart, and they're no good. So I have extras. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but that really roughed it up, and you can't really feel it too much, but at least it's rough. So what it is, just getting a screwdriver here, and what I'm going to do is use that screwdriver, heat this up a bit, shove this in here, pull it out, and then make sure that it's pushed in enough, because like I says, I'm going to use the barrel trimmer to take that out, right? So I want to make sure that gets pushed in enough. This one, there's lots left over. Okay, so when the barrel trimmer goes in there, oh, you know what I think I might do? I might put one of the spacers on there, because then that will force it in a little bit more. So if I put this in here and push this in here, oh no, it hits the edge. Okay, so it's not, that doesn't help. Okay, shoot, I was hoping that it would have pushed it in a little farther. Too bad I didn't have a short piece. I think if I have enough time, I'll have a spare one of these ready, so when I push it in with heat, I'll push this in just to push it through so that it's in the middle, and then it'll oh, come on, it'll be centered, I guess. That's what I'm looking for. I'll have to go find the next one, but I want to check to see if this is going to work. I don't know how good this is going to work. I don't want to get them too hot, because I noticed one thing with this is if you get this too hot, it'll take too long to melt. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that dry in here. I don't know if that was even hot enough. No, it's still going in there. So yeah, I don't know if that was, yeah, definitely not hot enough, because it's already cold. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go a little hotter. See if this, and this may not work, you know, and if this doesn't work, then I'll have to try 2-part epoxy. Let's see, will that melt it? Okay, that's melting it, so I guess maybe I gotta get it pretty hot. And then shove that in there, and then, oh yeah, I can feel it gripping now. Ouch, that's warm. Oh, whoop. Okay, that's in there. Okay, so I'm gonna let that cool a bit and see if I can find another extra one for pushing.